the very beginning, I want to tell you that doing business on Amazon is more convenient with the Google Chrome browser. Only in Google Chrome you can install those plugins, which we will discuss further. Moreover, for convenience, we recommend that you will have all-in-one browser in order to optimize your actions. Now, we examine two tools, AmzScout and Unicorn Smasher, which we will use during the product selection. With these tools, you can quickly analyze a niche and even a particular seller. And here you will find the links to download these tools, as well as the instruction for installation. First of all, install Unicorn Smasher. This is a free tool that shows us these values for each seller: BSR, price, brand name, estimate number of sales, estimate revenue, category, number of reviews, and seller's type, FBA, AMZ, or merchant. It looks like this. Just go to the Amazon and enter a keyword, for example, a wash bag. Then click on the extension icon, and now you can see the criteria that I talked about. The main advantage of Unicorn Smasher, it is free, but it also has a drawback. Its values are often overestimated and its functionality is limited compared to the paid plugins. However, in general, it's very easy to use. The second plugin that we are going to consider is AmzScout. It is a paid plugin with extended functionality which we have been using for several years. Also, apart from the plugin separately, they have a similar tool as a merchant word for analyzing the number of search queries, and additionally it has a large number of different cool features. It's called an AmzScout web version, but for the product research it's enough to have AmzScout Google Chrome plugin. To get better acquainted with AmzScout, you can use the free trial version to understand the difference with the Unicorn Smasher. Then, if you see fit, you can purchase this plugin because from my own experience I can say that you will need it, not only for product research but also for the constant analysis of the niche. AmzScout shows product price and its history, the average BSR of the whole niche and its history, average estimated revenue of the niche, estimated revenue of each seller, marginality, date when the product was added. There is a built-in profit calculator, and you can see FBA commission, and much more. Now let's take a look how AmzScout works. So once AmzScout is installed, go to the Amazon.com and enter the keyword that you're interested in. In our case, it will be a wash bag. Then click on the extension icon. And now we can see a lot of different values here. Basically here we can see all criteria that we have talked about and even more. And you will find the description of each criterion once you move your mouse over the title. And also AmzScout provides a lot of useful tutorials and you will be able to find them here. Besides, there are more criteria such as weight, size, variation, and to add them you just need to go to the options, click on the criterion that you want to add, and then apply. Sometimes I like to look at this criterion, which is available from. It shows the date when the listing was added, and you can see if the seller is new or has been selling for a long time. So it motivates you enough when you see that someone's launched a month ago and already has a good revenue. By clicking on any product, opens extended functionality. For example, we can open a profit calculator. Knowing the product cost and other costs, you can quickly calculate the profit margin and ROI of any of your competitors. Also, you can check the BSR history, find keywords, and quickly find this product on Alibaba. Please, go and check different keywords right now and look at their meanings in two plugins to pinpoint the topic and to understand how it works. You will need to practice as much as possible so that you can freely navigate and very quickly determine the potential of the niche. In the next video, I will describe all the criteria for choosing profitable products, and later I will show you what to do with all of these values and how to structure it that you can see the full picture of the niche. See you in the next video.